Hey Jay, you cooking with Barbie?
Huh?
You cooking with Barbie?
Who?
Barbie, me.
I can't hear you.
I said you cooking with Barbie.
Am I cooking with Barbie?
Yeah, me.
You
I'm
Barbie?
Barbie. What the food tastes like?
Shit, it's like something Swiss and cook.
Right. So you cooking with Swiss Barbie bone? You cooking with Swiss Barbie bone? You cooking with Swiss Barbie bone? Who that girl swinging with Swiss Barbie bone? Is you cooking with Swiss Barbie bone? You cooking with Swiss Barbie bone? What? It tastes good?